We got a retail question. I get to talk for a few
Oh,
minutes.
nice.
So it's on Lulu. Question is, can you update us on the Lulu short call? First, I got to ask you, how many pairs of LuluLemon clothing do you own?
Do I personally?
Yeah.
0%.
0%?
Yeah, I have. I just can't for the life of me go into that store and just go into the change room and start. I just can't. It's a personal, and don't judge me. Don't judge me. It's not personal. I just don't want to go in there. I don't.
I'm on the other side of that one.
Good. Because they have a big multiple.
I got a tax break though back in the day. It was a professional expense.
Was it?
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, workout gear.
So being the retail analyst, you guys actually get to charge your...
Well, that was back when I was a hockey player. Now I'm a retail analyst and I don't get that anymore.
I thought you get to charge your wardrobe back to the firm.
I wish.
That'd be good.
Yeah, it would be good. Yeah. All right, so Lulu, I mean, listen, this thing's had some pin action over the past, 2 to 3 days since it reported earnings last Thursday. And I guess the way to think about it very high level is we call it 3 levels of growth, the 3 stages of growth for LuluLemon. The first one, it added $1 billion over a 5-year time period from 2005 to 2010, had an incremental margin of 40%, stock probably went up 5x. And then you had this kind of transitory period from 10 to 15 where the company added another $1 billion, had the incremental margin of 7%, and stock probably bounced around between 80 and 40. Now, as you look forward, LuluLemon and the market and Street is pretty much saying that Lulu's going to add $2 billion in sales over the next 5 years at an incremental margin of 30%. We think that is a pipe dream. So we think they're off the highs in terms of comps. So comps slowing from 10% to 5%. Growth from here is getting more expensive. And yeah, they have a few tailwinds on margin and all the things that they screwed up when they sold see-through pants and their founder went on and told their customers that they were fat. But I think very, very high level, we're at the very early stages of this short call. We think we see downside into the 40s. So still really, really like this one. Obviously seen some cracks over the last few days, but we think it's going much lower from here.
That's pretty tight, man.
Yeah,
like the pants.
Yeah, you got to throw it in there. They screw up, you got to call them out.